This is Matt, and this will be a very short video on how to download Dropbox on your computer. So I'm right here on the download page, dropbox.com/install. I will of course put that link in the video description so you can just click on the link and wind up here. Now, this has got to be one of the simplest, most Spartan download pages you'll ever see for an app. You just click on this blue install button right here, and it will attempt to sign you in if you do already have an account. If not, you can sign up. You can use Google to sign up, or you can sign in with Apple, or just start the process with the email, or you can just skip this altogether and sign up later when you actually install the app on your desktop. So we're going to click skip for now, and just like that, you can see the icon has flown up. Almost done. So that has gone to the downloads folder. I'm on a Mac and I have Google Chrome, so it goes straight to the downloads folder. Depending on your browser, you will find the installer file in your downloads location set by your browser. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Dropbox useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just